Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of connection problem on the application of Duolingo. You click on settings, this first page of settings. You click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Duolingo and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store and then we'll update your app, so please don't forget to support us by